Hi, my name is Noni Matikela. Welcome to the Noni M podcast. So today, I want us to talk about the police officers in the Senzo Meyiwa case. I want us to just go down on memory lane about something, remind each other of things that have happened in that case. Because what is this? What is this? Guys, the time is 02:42 a.m. I'm still working. But we keep moving. I'm gonna sleep during the day. It's holiday, the 16th of June. So I'm gonna sleep. Yeah, no worries. Anyway, so guys, please make sure that you do not forget that engagement is key on the social media street. When you are engaging, you are helping the channel to grow financially and in numbers. Thank you so much. I really appreciate you doing that. Now let's talk about the Senzo Meyiwa case. Guys, do you remember when the police started to come and give evidence? We were still like, why are we dealing with a lot of police? Okay, we thought, okay, it's gonna be the people. Uganda Busang. Then there was a trial within a trial. After the trial within a trial, first of all, wait. We had Uzandi, and then we had Utumech, and then we had Umtokozis, and then we had Ustain, and then we had Umangena, and then we had Uzungu in September. We had Uzungu. And then we had, after Zungu, we had who? Then it was a trial within a trial, unless there's someone that I forgot. Then it was a trial. No, 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 no. It was, we had Umasondo before the trial within a trial. I'm not putting them in a particular order. We had Umasondo, and then we had, was it Dlamini that worked with Umasondo, I think. And then we had, we had, who's this guy that dealt with the firearm of, I choose now. Rulovse. Yes, I think it's Rulovse. We had Rulovse. And then we had, by choose number three's then girlfriend, which is Ukagiso Tefo. We had Ukagiso Tefo. Guys, and then it was so the police that we had initially, it was Dlamini, Mosia, Masondo, State. Those are coming from police, ne? Roll-offs also. But they were coming in different departments. And then we had, in evidence of Masondo and Dlamini, it showed, especially Masondo told the court that the firearm that he arrested accused number two with had nothing to do with the Senzo Meyiwa case. Otherwise, if he did, he would have knew back in 2015. So it had nothing to do with that. That was point one for accused number three. And then we had Ulo Umangena saying it is. And we had the first official that arrested number three saying no, it wasn't. And then we had Urolov also talking about whatever. Anyway, now we had a trial within a trial. This is where things got interesting. Within a trial within a trial, guys, we had Omukhani. We had, and then there was an AVL story. And then we had Abo Utelezi, Listerini, Abo Mapumulo, I forgot the other people, but all of those guys from EMPD, Nabo Singh, Nabo Ban. And then we had Umukhane Umukhola. Hey, the trial within a trial was about Brigadier will come. The Brigadier will come. The Brigadier will come. The Brigadier will come. Yay. We were all, even the judge at that time was waiting for this Gananda. Everybody was like, Gananda will come, Gananda will come, Gananda will come, Gininda will come, Brigadier will come. I kwafika Mokgane naye, the brigadier will come and tell the court that no, you will have to ask the brigadier. We will have to ask the brigadier. That was Mokgane the entire time. Sathi okay, sizwile ngo-brigadier. Kwafika uMokgola. Hey, the brigadier will come. The brigadier will come, my lords. The brigadier will come, my lords. The brigadier. And to a certain extent, we even were like, Kanti wena Mokgola, what were you doing? Because now it sounded like she was a tea lady for the brigadier. Everything she was doing, she was taking notes. She did nothing. Everything was done by the brigadier. Guess what happens now? The brigadier came, did whatever he did, and then came back again. Hi, Bo. Now we are having a brigadier now telling us that there are instances where the brigadier himself will say, no, that was Sergeant Mokgola that was dealing with that. Hi, Bo. From the brigadier will come to now the brigadier taking us back to Mokgane, the brigadier talking about the late Mabena, the brigadier now taking us back to Mokgola. Kanti CP up. What is happening here? Honestly, what is happening here? What is happening here? Because now I'm confused. We were dealing with the brigadier will come. The brigadier will come. The brigadier will sort that out. Now the brigadier is like, Mokgola is the one that was writing in my diary. Mokgola is the one that dealt with that. Mokgane is the one that, Aibo. Guys, nithi siphi apha? Hlobo lunu le case lolu. What jobs is this? No. Guys, it's almost 10 to 3 XM, but I'm busy questioning those things. Guys, there's this guy on TikTok, Uthabane Buthelezi. I love him so much when he's telling stories. Ati, sifokofanini lana sibuyele kulowa sidala, because the Sezuma case is there. Is the kind that will make you ask, sifokofanini lana sibuyele kulowa sidalayo, ngoba ke ayikhona. Ayinje into mayizakuba. Akunje makuzakuba ngeke. Sifokofanini lana sibuyele kulowa sidalayo. What is this? Yo. Ngilapho nje ngihleli lapho ko yo. Imeko iyameko zakhe abafazi injalo. The brigadier now, the one that we were all looking forward to see who is this brigadier, to an extent that some people who are in Gauteng even went to court to listen to the case just to see. They wanted to eye the brigadier. Because everything, the brigadier. Now the brigadier is here. Hi, for Black Excellency. Akakhulumi nangumuntu. We are even questioning, is he married? Does he have a wife? Is he so married? The way he speaks, the way he denies things. He will say this in this instance of 10 to 3. But I'm telling you, when you are trying to repeat what he was saying by 0251, he will say when he responds at 0252. No, that is not what I say. I will first start with this fold, and then he will speak and speak and speak and speak. You even forget what you were saying. That's the excellence they spoke of when they said, yeah, the brigadier is the Black excellence. They meant this? Really? They meant this? Like we are left wondering, Bible. This is the Black excellence they were referring to. For real? Are they for real? Honestly? I'm telling you. The brigadier will come. The brigadier will come. That's what we are dealing with. Guys, what are your thoughts when it comes to this? When you hear Brigadier saying that no, Mukhola dealt with this, no, Mukhane dealt with this, no, it was Mabena. Actually, it was Brigadier Ndlovu. Haibo. After everything was put on his shoulders, now he comes to tell us we must go back to those people. How are we supposed to trust anything? Like, tell me, how are we supposed to trust anything? Anyway, guys, what are your views when it comes to the brigadier will come and the brigadier came with nothing? Let's talk in the comment section. I want to hear your views. Thank you so much. Bye bye.